Walk on your dog, but your thoughts are for real. If you can't hear, then you have this. A-Medz. A-Medz.
A-Medz. The right strength. The landlord put me out, the woman left me, I'm gonna know what to do.
Sit down, my brother.
A-Medz.
All this, my brother. A-Medz time here now. Now here what you need to do. Stop living from the outside in and live from the inside out.
My brother, how you say to me? You make me confused now, my brother. You didn't even give me more details.
The mind controls everything.
Yeah.
The mind is like a computer, and your thoughts are like programs.
True.
The more program you put on a computer, the slower it gets until it eventually crashes. The mind is the same. The more things you think about is the more you get depressed and stressed out, and the mind eventually crashes. All you need to do, my brother, is go with the flow, think positive, and everything will be okay.
A-Medz. Yeah. Respect you just save a life. Never find another wife and try to get another life.
A-Medz.
Walk on your dog, but your thoughts are for real. If you can't hear, then you have the A-Medz. A-Medz. A-Medz.